Today, two 350 kilowatts fully premixed low-NOx condensing gas boilers, customized by EPCB for the hotel industry, are about to be put into service. This EPCB fully premixed low-NOx condensing boiler utilizes advanced fully premixed combustion technology, achieving precise combustion control and ultra-low emissions. NOx emissions can be as low as below 30 mg/Nm superscript 3. The high-efficiency plate heat exchanger provided by EPCB offering high heat exchange efficiency and stable temperature, providing hotel users with a continuously comfortable hot water experience. Each set of valves and circulating water pumps undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the system's startup and shutdown are sensitive and its operation is stable, maintaining efficient heating. A dedicated stainless steel condensing chimney system, resistant to high temperatures and corrosion. These two high-efficiency, low-NOx boilers are not just equipment. They represent EPCB's commitment to quality and professional service to its global customers. EPCB Boiler, your reliable partner in clean heating solutions.